I always love to fry whole fresh fish, or as they call it in Panama, Pescado, Frito, Entero. This is red snapper that I picked up from a local fish market right on the pier, fresh off the boat. Just season it up real good, put a little flour on it, throw it in a skillet. This happens to be a 14-inch hex clad wok, and fry it for just about 3 or 4 minutes on each side. Makes for an amazingly delicious and eye-catching meal. I paired mine with just a simple salad of tomatoes, avocados, and cucumbers. A little salt and pepper on them. Mix that together. It's fresh and tastes great. Enjoy.